face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and text. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please, this channel is for you. Hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. Last week I did a video about a certain testing website called IntelliZoom, and as you can see, I just received this payment yesterday, $2. The title of the video was how to make $5 over and over again. You can earn $2 as well. Their text ranges from $2, $5 to $10. So all you need to do is just sign up and they will send you tests to do. So if your test is being approved, then they will send you your payment, either $2, $5 or $10. If you haven't watched that video yet, please check the top right corner of this video, click on the card and it will direct you to the video that I'm talking about. But for this video, we will be talking about a certain website called Respondent. This is Respondent. I received this payment yesterday. As you can check here, I received this payment yesterday, which was 5th July 2019 around 4:07 p.m. Ghana time. Sorry. Respondent sent me it was supposed to be $15, but they took $1 and I got $14. With Respondent, you can earn as much as you want. Yeah, as much as you want. They have a lot of tests for you that you can do to make money online. So I won't waste much time. I'll just get you guys started. So I'll go to my browser. Sorry, I'll just hit on Respondent. As you can see here, I have 12 projects that I have to do, but let's respondent.io. This website is really good and it's a nice one. Sorry. So Respondent get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. Easy source research participant for in-person, remote or online research studies. So find any research participant anywhere in the world. Data scientists, San Francisco, United States. And so if you go to Respondent, you can read all this, but I will leave the link to the to the registration under the description, so you can check under the description for the link. So after you've read through this, you just hit on start for free, or if you click here, you can click on get paid for participating. So if you click on get paid for participating, you need to have a Facebook account to sign up, or LinkedIn account to sign up. Those are two. If you don't have a Facebook account and LinkedIn account, you can't register. So either you have a Facebook account to sign up or a LinkedIn account to sign up. And please, this one doesn't require a VPN if you are not in the United States. You just have to sign up, but okay, I'll hit on home. you need to select USA as a country when doing the registration, because if you are from Nigeria, South Africa, or Ghana here, and you select maybe Ghana when you are registering, then please, you are not going to get a much task to perform. So you select United States as your country, so that you get enough task to perform. Okay, so let me show you something. I'm still reminding you, select United States as your country when you are doing the registration. And if you come here, you see a test like this. As you can see here, one-on-one test, one-on-one. Please, if you are not from the United States, don't select one-on-one test. And even if you are from the United States and you think you cannot do a test which is one-on-one, please don't select it. Because if you select a test and the researcher invites you and you couldn't make it, they will just ban, or they will block your account for 2 months. So there's no need to select one-on-one if you are not in the United States. Imagine you are in Ghana and you've selected one-on-one test to participate, and in case the researcher invites you to participate on this test, are you going to travel from Ghana to the United States to participate? No. So you need not to select one-on-one test. The test that you have to select is either a remote test, a remote test, or you can do any test apart from one-on-one test. And something like, I saw something here. Let me see if I'll see it. No, I didn't see it. Oh, I can't see it. Like, there was a test which was supposed to be done in the respondent home or respondent office. That test, you need not to select it, because even if you qualify for that, you can't make it. So either you do remote tests or any test apart from one-on-one or respondent office or home test. That one, you must avoid it. You must avoid it. Before a researcher will invite you to participate in a study, you need to take a screen survey to determine if you qualify for the test or not. So if you take the screen survey, you can see them all here. As you can see, this I took the screen survey and I got 80%, which I qualify, and this one I got 50%, I qualified. This one I got 95, I qualified. As you can see here, I got 100. So that's how it looks like. So if the researcher invites me to participate, I'll just go on. These are not one-on-one tests or tasks. So as I said, I will leave the link to the registration under the description. So you check under my description to click on the link. It will direct you to respondent.io for sign up. You click on get paid to participate, or you click on sign up for free. Then you create your account with either Facebook account or LinkedIn account. Then you select a job that you do. You fill in your profile, then you set your paper, email, and you start searching for projects. As I said, when you want to participate in a task, you need to take a screen survey to determine if you qualify or not. So they will give you a survey to take before you can you can be invited for the task. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna make money out of this website. So if you love this video, hit on the like button, and again, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online or seeing videos like this, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and hope to see you again. Bye.
MDK, Awada.
Face, tell me that you love me.